I think this is the best hotelier event in the industry. I've been coming to many conferences, and I've brought my entire middle management team for both sales and marketing here, because I feel like this is, with the closed door policy, you get to share a lot more insights. Hoteliers are helping other hoteliers. It's a really fantastic event, and I can't wait to come back.
It's been fresh air. I think, you work and you kind of fly the flag for your brand and your digital within your company, but it's quite nice to catch up with like-minded people. And I don't think there's enough of that. I think we've all been quite and I think it is really much missed. I think you need to get away from your desk and actually kind of, again, it's therapy, it's inspiration, it's quite a few things.
Definitely come to the Direct Booking Summit. It's brilliant to actually speak to all of the people who are talking at the summit, but also meeting fellow hoteliers and networking and finding out what they're doing and sharing best practices. So I would definitely recommend Direct Booking Summit.
Actually about everything. Just being here, speaking here, getting to meet a lot of people that I know and I still don't know. So I'm looking forward to the party tonight to get some more connections up and running. So actually everything. There's nothing particular that stands out. It's everything during the whole event.
Absolutely, great event. Real good case studies. It's true people talking. And it's real life experiences. In terms of what's happening in the industry, what's happening in hotels across Europe. So.
Oh, definitely. I think this is my second time here, and I love it. And I would recommend any hotelier out there to come. There's a lot of networking opportunities. Great party, great company. Great music, a lot of topics. It's just 2 days jam-packed with so much information, and not only that, just the sharing. It's like a community to share within. Hoteliers and hoteliers, just peers. It's amazing.
I definitely recommend other hoteliers to come here to share experiences, to exchange points of view and to have a look at some other perspectives from some other colleagues, other countries, other philosophies. Many topics are involved here, and you for sure you will come back to your city full of notes and things to start with. No? I really recommend it to come.
So my top learning so far from the Direct Booking Summit is the importance of guest data and really making sure that we're focusing on the analytics, making sure that we're tracking as much as possible so we can learn more and more about potential customers and customers that have come back to us. And also it's just really exciting to meet other different hoteliers and learning so much from everyone here.
I learned a lot, spoke to a lot of people, but what I found interesting the most is you get a lot of insights on, for example, brand-wise, which we are currently, is a big thing for us now. So I learned a lot about other companies and the way they attacked their problems and evolved during the year. So it gave me a lot of insights, spoke to a lot of nice people, had fun.